In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate in Base44. We'll walk through the process from inside your Base44 account so you can quickly find the affiliate option, apply, and understand what to expect next. Keep your Base44 account open in a browser tab so you can follow along step by step. First, sign into your Base44 workspace as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see either your profile icon, which might be your initials or an avatar, or the workspace profile name. This is the same place you usually go to manage your account settings or log out. Go ahead and click that profile or workspace icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to different account-related options. Among these options, look for the one that says Become an Affiliate. The wording may be simple, but this is the key entry point into the affiliate program. Now click on Become an Affiliate. As soon as you select it, Base44 will redirect you to a dedicated affiliate page or open an overlay with more details. This is where the real process begins. You'll typically see an overview of the affiliate program, including things like how commissions work, payout schedules, and any terms you'll need to agree to. Take a moment to read through this information carefully so you know exactly how the program operates. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through each required step, which may include confirming your contact details, agreeing to the affiliate terms and conditions, and possibly providing payout information so you can receive commissions later on. Work through each screen slowly, making sure the information you enter is accurate and up to date. If Base44 asks for things like your country, preferred currency, or tax-related details, fill them out according to your local requirements. The system may also generate your unique affiliate link or give you access to an affiliate dashboard once your application is accepted. When you've completed all the prompts, you should see a confirmation message or email letting you know that your affiliate account is active or under review. After that, you'll be ready to start sharing your affiliate link, tracking referrals, and monitoring your earnings directly from the tools Base44 provides.